Welcome to our guide on how to withdraw money from the Aviator app in 2025. Let's explore its features and withdrawal options. Start by opening the Aviator app and logging into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the withdrawal section, usually found in the main menu. Next, choose your preferred withdrawal method from the list of available options. Input the amount of money you wish to withdraw in the designated field and proceed to the next step. Provide any necessary details based on the withdrawal method you selected, such as bank account information or e-wallet details. Review the details and confirm your transaction to complete the withdrawal process. You can check the status of your withdrawal directly in the app to see if it's processed. If you encounter any issues, here are some troubleshooting tips to help you resolve common problems. In conclusion, remember to use the Aviator app responsibly and enjoy its features. Happy withdrawing!